Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you need to do is to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the info menu, or menu with a lot of information, this one. Once you see the info menu, press the crown button repeatedly until you see the factory reset option. Once you see the factory reset, press and hold the crown button to enter. And now you need to press the crown button 5 times to confirm the reset, like this. And once you click it 5 times or press it 5 times, it will start resetting the watch. And once you see the hello with the setup message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.